Sir, we had been fooled by the state government, by the central government from time to time. Stop fooling. Please stop fooling from now onwards. We cannot compromise
What is your question?
this very present generation with the future generation.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
Please,
if the honourable
serious.
member Bah Adelbert says that we are fooling, can you please produce that allegation you made? That
Sir,
we are
7
fooling.
years.
What do you mean by saying we are fooling?
7
So
years.
I really wanted some justification
Sir,
on that.
7 years.
What do you mean by saying fooling,
2019
sir?
had been
Through you,
passed a
Mr. Speaker, sir.
resolution.
Let him prove it. Let him prove it. He can't just say
2019 had been passed a
If anybody is
in this
fooling,
house.
if anybody is
Sir,
fooling, it is
yes.
he who is fooling, sir.
Okay.
And again, how many times has he gone? How many times has he also met Home Minister?
Please sit down.
If anybody is fooling, sir, it is he who is fooling the people. Every
one
time
can
he comes
fool
up and
people.
says all
Some
these
people.
points. But never in his
Some
life
feel
has
some
he
of the
met
time.
Honorable Home
Some of
Minister
the people
and
some of the
written
time,
about
but all
ILP
the
ever.
people, all the time.
So only it's not only
With due
talking
respect.
and not
With due
preaching
respect, sir.
and not practicing what
Sir,
you
with due
preach.
respect,
It's
sir,
not the
please.
way, sir.
Please sit down. Please sit
Please,
down.
with due respect, only one
Please sit down.
suggestion because
Please sit
I had spoke all. I mean, every time.
Please sit down. Please sit down.